The following Digital Corner article is brought to you by Scrapbooking.com magazine from the July 2012 issue. Center Focus on Photos by author and artist Teresa Rogers. We all want our photos and stories to be the main focus of our scrapbook pages. There are several ways to bring attention to a photo without falling back on the standard issue frame. In my layout, American Boy, I used a starburst background paper, a vertically placed ribbon to anchor the layout, and a centrally placed photo. By adding a title to the bottom of my photo and journaling near the top, the eye is drawn to the center of the layout and to my favorite part, the photo. These simple techniques, combined with a few well-placed embellishments, create a beautifully balanced and visually interesting layout. Open a new layer and drag your starburst pattern background paper onto it. Add your vertical embellishments near the center of your page. You don't need to be perfectly centered at this time. You can make adjustments later. Each element should be its own layer. I like to add the photo at this time and then build the rest of the layout around it. I've angled the photo slightly, adding interest to my page. You can also edit your photo, turning it black and white or adding a soft light layer as I have, for example. Add a matte under the photo. In this case, I used a U.S. map embellishment, leaving the Texas state portion peeking out in reference to my title and the location where the photo was taken. Add your layered embellishments on top of as well as behind your photo to create depth and texture. Make final adjustments to placement and add varying shadows depending on embellishment type and position. Now save and enjoy your finished layout. My name is Teresa, aka Simple Girl Scraps. I love all things creative and crafty, especially paper crafts and digital scrapbooking, which I discovered in 2008. I started designing my own digital scrapbooking papers and embellishments in 2010. I'm currently designing full-time and I love it. You can find me and my designs on my blog, simplegirlscraps.blogspot.com. A printable project card with instructions and a list of supplies can be found by clicking on the step-by-step instructions link within the online version of this article. To find the products featured in this article and shown in these layouts, check with your local scrapbook retailer. Browse our premier retail stores for coupons to a store near you. We hope you enjoyed this article from Scrapbooking.com magazine. Please check out all of the great articles and projects in this month's issue.